Everyone. Now we are going to see about nitrogen fixation. First, what is nitrogen? Nitrogen is an essential dietary element that is derived from animal and plant protein, and it is an important component of many structural, genetic and metabolic compounds in plant cell. It is a constituent of amino acids, proteins, nucleic acids, enzymes and chlorophyll molecule. Role of nitrogen in plant. Nitrogen is the major component of chlorophyll and it is the essential part of living cell and a component of plant and protein and enzymes, and it stimulates root growth and crop development and as well as uptake of other nutrients, and it is the important component of ATP which allows the cells to use energy released in metabolism, and also the significant component of nucleic acid such as DNA that allows plant to grow and reproduce. Sources of nitrogen. Atmospheric nitrogen. The Earth's atmosphere, about 78% is composed of nitrogen. Majority of plant cannot utilize atmospheric nitrogen. Some bacteria, blue-green algae, and leguminous plants can fix atmospheric nitrogen. Nitrate, nitrite, and ammonia. Among these, nitrate is the chief form of nitrogen and it is taken up by plant. Then amino acids. Many microorganisms can make use of this nitrogen. Sometimes higher plant can take up these amino acids. Organic nitrogenous compound in bodies of insects. Insectivorous plants fulfill their nitrogen requirement by capturing the small insects and digest them. Nitrogen fixation. It is the process by which atmospheric nitrogen is harvested by microorganisms to form ammonia, nitrate and nitrate that can be utilized by plant. The conversion of free nitrogen into nitrogenous salts to make, to make it available for absorption of plant. Basic requirement for nitrogen fixation, nitrogenase and hydrogenase enzyme, constant supply of ATP, hydrogen reducing system or electron donor, that is pyruvic acid or glucose and sucrose, coenzymes and cofactor like thymine pyrophosphate, coenzyme A, inorganic phosphate and magnesium ion, cobalt and molybdenum. Then biochemistry of nitrogen fixation. This process was first given by Burris in 1966. In atmosphere, nitrogen is converted into ammonia or nitrates in the presence of the enzyme nitrogenase. So ammonia is the first stable product in nitrogen fixation. In this process, nitrogen first split out into free nitrogen atom by breaking the triple bond with the help of the enzyme nitrogenase. This reaction is endergonic and it consumes 160 kilocalorie energy, and the free nitrogen combined with hydrogen releasing ammonia with the help of the enzyme hydrogenase. This reaction requires 13 kilocalorie energy. And types of nitrogen fixation. There are three types: physical, chemical and biological nitrogen fixation. In physical nitrogen fixation occur by the presence of lightning and thunder. So free nitrogen combined with oxygen produce nitric acid by the influence of lightning and thunder. Then nitric acids are oxidized into nitrogen peroxide. Then nitrogen peroxide combined with rainwater to release nitrous acid and nitric acid, and these acids are come to ground along with rain. On ground, alkali radicals of soil react with nitric acid to produce nitrites and nitrates, which is soluble in water and which can be absorbed by plant through root. Then chemical nitrogen fixation. Nitrogen is reduced into ammonia by the chemical process is called chemical nitrogen fixation, and this process is called Haber's process. In this process, free nitrogen combined with hydrogen with high pressure and high temperature it form ammonia. Biological nitrogen fixation. In biological nitrogen fixation, atmospheric nitrogen is converted into ammonia by an enzyme nitrogenase. This nitrogenase biological fixation are carried out by microorganisms. These microorganisms are diazotrophs. Then types of biological nitrogen fixation. There are two types of nitrogen fixers based on fixing microorganism. They are symbiotic and non-symbiotic. In non-symbiotic nitrogen fixation, the non-symbiotic nitrogen fixers are free-living nitrogen fixers, and they inhibit both terrestrial and aquatic habitats. These are all example, these organisms are example for aerobic, anaerobic and blue-green algae nitrogen symbiotic fixers. Then symbiotic nitrogen fiction. Symbiosis first coined by Deberry. In symbiotic nitrogen fixation of free nitrogen by microorganism in soil living symbiotically out inside the plant. Then there are two types, nodulated symbiosis and non-nodulated symbiosis. Then nitrogen fixation can be defined as the process of creating ammonia from atmospheric nitrogen. Without this process, most plant and animals would not have the nitrogen needed to live. Then rhizobium. It is a free-living bacteria and gram-negative bacteria. Then formation of root nodule in legumes. Root nodules formed due to the infection of rhizobium. This rhizobium growing near the root of legumes and unable to fix nitrogen in free form. So roots of legumes secrete some growth factor, helps in fast multiplication of bacteria. Example, Pisum sativum, it secretes homoserine and also lectin protein. And these lectins interact with carbohydrate receptor of rhizobial cell, and these occur between root hairs and young root hair. So bacteria enter the roots through the soft infected root hairs. After entry, the new cell wall is formed. These tubular infection contain mucopolysaccharides where bacteria embedded and start multiplication. After inner layers of cortex and bacteria is released, it induces the cortical cell to multiply, which results in the formation of nodule on the surface. So after host cell are completely filled, bacterial cells become dormant. Thank you.